Hi everyone, welcome back. I've received my JHOPE poster from Dicon, so I'm excited to get this open. So I'm going to start while I'm talking. I'm super excited for this because I wasn't able to, get a hold of the Dicon whole member package thing. But I will be getting JHOPE's Dicon, in the mail. So I just have to wait a little bit to get it. Gosh, it's in there. Hope there's no damage. Okay. That must have been it. Okay, nothing else is in there. Too bad they didn't put it in a little bit smaller one. Hope this didn't... Feels wet or kind of cold because it was raining. So I really hope this isn't damaged in any way. Oh my gosh. I see his legs. I see his feet. I'll probably have to raise this up to get a full shot of JHOPE. Oh my gosh. He's so handsome. Oh my god. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll be back with if I can get a longer top shot of this, I will do that. I'll be right back. Here he is. Oh, he's so beautiful and gorgeous. Look at this. This is the best I could do. And I'll bring him in a little bit so you can get a good look at him close up. This is as close as I can get to the camera. But man, oh, this is so beautiful in person, let me tell you. And that's where it says Dicon. So I'm waiting to get his edition of Dicon from 2020, and I want to get OT7 solo member magazines from Dicon. The next one I want to get is Jimin, Yoongi, Tae, RM, Jin, and of course Jungkook. So if I can get them all, that'd make my day. I'd love to get all the individual posters, but the problem is where to put the posters at, since my walls are pretty much covered with a lot of BTS premium photographs. So, that's the struggle, where to put them at. And I got a place for Hobie to go. I love my sunshine. He's so beautiful. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give it a like. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I have more BTS unboxings coming very soon, hopefully. So see you guys next time. I finally have put JHOPE where I want him to stay. I did have him over here on the door. So this is my new Dicon poster of JHOPE. He looks so handsome. I love this little poster. It's amazing. I thought it was like a door size poster, like the Madonna one I have on my door, but I'll share that for reference. But this is slightly smaller, but I am not disappointed. This is so amazing. He looks so good up here on my wall. I had to move Yoongi though from the Love Yourself Japan premium photos. I moved him over here, so that's where he is, and I moved OT7 down here. So yeah, I got it all fixed up. I did have Hobie on the door here, but I have a fan that I run, and my husband can open the door and bang the poster into the side of this right here and damage this. So I'm like, I better move him to keep him safe. So I'm happy with where I have him at now. So, all right, this concludes my unboxing video of my new JHOPE DICON poster. And stick around because sometime soon, I don't know, it might be a month from now, maybe sooner, I hope. Fingers crossed, I'll have the JHOPE edition of DICON from 2020 with, I hope, with the special goodies included with it as well. So until then, and until my next video, which I'll have more stuff coming in, I'll see you guys then.